I think the service that's provided is invaluable to litigants in person. A lot of the people that I helped really didn't have any idea of what the court process would involve. They didn't know that they were attending a for hydra, they didn't know that they wouldn't be getting a decision that day. So being there, giving them support, personal support, as well as procedural support, really is so beneficial to them in so many different ways.
Loved it. It's actually been one of my favourite parts of studying this year.
Definitely one of the best things that I could have done volunteer-wise this year for my studies. It's helped me so much. It's helped me engage, it's helped me experience things, and yeah, it's just made my overall kind of study this year much more enjoyable.
It has given me practical experience with regard to what I've learned in class as a law student, like the procedures, the court procedures and things like that. It just gives it a face. It gives the clients a face, and it just adds more dimension to me, for me as a law student.
It's being able to work together with everyone, like meeting new faces, the staff there and then the student, and seeing how much they love the student. And in fact, we felt like one with the staff there, like we actually worked in the family court and not just visitors weekly and that.
Obviously getting to interact with the solicitors and the judges at the court, obviously be given that exposure is really nice, then it spurs you on to want to do that profession.
My personal highlight was one particular client that we had who had faced quite a number of problems with her previous partner. She was very upset, didn't really understand the court process that well, and she really appreciated the help that I was able to give her.
It's when you follow a case through, so when I was with a client at court and then she came into the legal advice centre and then we went into court again for her second hearing, just to support her throughout her time.
I feel that even though I'm not giving advice to the clients, I still feel responsible for them in a way, not letting them down, giving them the adequate information that they need, calming their nerves and things like that. Yeah, I feel a great sense of responsibility for the clients.
I don't think I fully realised how messy families can be and how hard it is, and I didn't realise the difference that could be made. Like, I've been hugged by clients.
Not giving advice to the clients because they're always asking you things that, and there's just a very, very thin line between not giving advice and giving advice.
The most challenging part was definitely one client that I had who turned up to court drunk, and I had to guide him through the court process, but he was very angry at the whole situation, obviously had a lot of pent-up frustration and kind of took it out on me at first.
Before the family court, the help desk project, I wasn't really one to, should I say, volunteer myself or put myself in the limelight for anything. Like with the recording right now, before the family court help desk, I assure you I wouldn't have done that. But having done the family court help desk, meeting different people, being in front of judges and all of that, I feel like, yeah, I can do pretty much anything because it's built up my confidence a lot. I'm actually proud of myself now, having done the family court help desk and seeing where I am now and where I was before.